Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh. Alright, this morning I would like to tell you about this very totally view here, like look like Europe or Switzerland, but exactly not look like there. You don't have going like Europe or United States or United Kingdom, but or Australia or Africa. You have to go to like Asia, especially Indonesia. Here we call that Gayo. Gayo is one of located in Aceh. Just only have spent 8 hours from Banda Aceh, from International Airport Sultan Iskandar Muda there. When you get here, you can spend your time all day, all night, look like Europe. This very totally beautiful here. I can imagine that myself. I got 6 times visiting here. The first I came here 2014 at the time, and the last 2020 2022 invited by Indonesian tourism here. The focus for promoting like tourism here in Middle Aceh. We call that Aceh Tengah here. It's very totally beautiful. Alright, one more time, don't forget to subscribe to channel, because it can help me for promoting Aceh 5 continents: United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Africa, Asia, especially Australia. Invite a lot of visitors, invite a lot of foreigners sitting here, enjoying your holiday here, the weekend here. It's very totally very totally awesome here. Alright, one more time, don't forget to like, subscribe to channel. That's all for now.